Hi guys, welcome back with the topic kinds of pronoun, and before starting, let's remind what is pronoun. Pronoun is a word that is used in place of a noun that is called pronouns. We all know that we have total 10 kinds of pronouns like personal pronouns, interrogative pronouns, indefinite pronouns, relative pronouns, possessive pronouns, reflexive pronouns, intensive pronouns, demonstrative pronouns, reciprocal pronouns, and the distributive pronouns. So there are total 10 kinds, but today we will discuss our first kind, that will be the personal pronouns. And today we will discuss what are the personal pronouns and how and where we can use it. So now what are the personal pronouns? Personal pronouns refers to the person speaking, the person spoken to, and the person, place or the thing spoken about. Means फर्स्ट पर्सन जो बात कर रहा है दैट विल बी द फर्स्ट पर्सन, और जिससे बात हो रही है दैट विल बी द सेकेंड पर्सन, और जिसके बारे में बात हो रही है द पर्सन, प्लेस और द थिंग स्पोकन अबाउट दैट विल बी द थर्ड पर्सन. So we have so many examples of the first, second and the third person in singular as well as in the plural form. First person, I, me, my, mine. In plural form we use we, us, our, ours. Second person, you, your, yours, and it will remain same in the plural form. Third person, he, him, he, she, her, hers, it, its, and in the plural form they, them, their, and theirs. So to understand this personal pronoun, we have to keep in mind the first person, second person, and the third person. So let's remind one more time that pronoun is a word that takes the place of one or more noun, and personal pronouns are the most frequently used pronouns. सबसे ज़्यादा personal pronouns use किए जाते हैं and they refer to the people or the thing. So let's take one more view of the examples like I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they, me, you, him, her, it, us, you, them. And in the sentences, I'm reading, you are sitting on my place, she is drinking tea, it is very expensive. Few more examples like I, you, they, we, it, he, and she. I hope you more understand the examples of the personal pronouns. With the next page, we can see more examples like he, she, they, it, we, I. He for the boy, she for the girl, they and we for the plural, it for the birds and the animals or the things, and I for the myself. So this point is more clear to you. So you can see a view on the next page. As you can see, you can use many more examples like I, me, you, we, us, you, they, their, he, her, she, he, him, it. So let's take a view of the first person and the second person, third person pronouns in singular as well as in the plural form. You have to remind it so that you can use it and understand this topic more clearly. First person, I, me, my, mine. In the plural form, we, us, our, ours. Second person, you, your, yours. In the plural form, same, you, your, yours. Third person, he, she, it, him, her, his, her, its. And in the plural form, they, them, their, and theirs. All these examples are of the personal pronouns, so you have to keep in mind the first person who is speaking, second person to whom we are speaking, and the third person about which we are speaking. So I'm giving a worksheet to you. You can use it. You can do the practice for the more clarification. Thank you, and we'll discuss next kind in the next. Thank you. Thanks for watching.